All right. If you want to turn your stories into engaging audio using ElevenLabs, this guide will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, get your story ready, keep your sentences clear and natural, and break it into paragraphs or scenes. Now, go into ElevenLabs and click on Text to Speech. This is where you'll create your narration. Paste your story into the text box, but don't do everything at once. Uh, Split it into smaller parts for better control. Next, choose a voice that fits your story. You know, calm and warm voices usually work best for narration. Set stability a bit higher for consistency, and keep style moderate so it still sounds natural. Here's the key. Use punctuation to add pauses and emotion. Yeah, commas and line breaks make a big difference. Now generate your audio and listen carefully. If needed, tweak your text or settings and try again. Once everything sounds good, download each section and combine them into a full story narration. And yeah, that's how you create story narration with ElevenLabs. Once you get the flow right, it sounds really smooth and engaging.